Okay guys, today I'm going to try and straighten out this dinette table. It's really bowed bad, and I put it upside down and slept on the dinette for a couple nights, and it did help take some of the bow out, but as you can see, there's still quite a bit of space in between that 2x2 and the table. So what I'm going to do is flip it over. Okay, it's all finished, and I don't have a board to put a straight edge on it because I used them underneath, but I really shored it up, as you can see, and it's perfectly straight. So that problem is solved. So if you have a bowed dinette, you can fix it without having to buy a new one. So I hope that helps someone. And my next project is I'm going to replace these old drapes in the windshield. They were like wicked expensive to buy. I mean, I'm talking $300-400. So I went to the fabric store and I picked up some stuff, and I'm going to see if I can't redo them myself. So stay tuned for that video. Okay, talk to you later.